In this guide, you will learn how to download, adopt, and upload Excel lists within the CloudBudget Budget Manager. To get to our Excel mirror, pick a filtered view of the data. In this case, select US North 2023. Now you can see all the budget lines under US North. Click on the Table button in the right corner to navigate to the Excel Mirror button. Click on Download File. You will see a preview before you download the file. Click Write to File to download the Excel list. You can also rename the Excel file if you want to, and then confirm. We will make some small changes to the budget data to alter the file. Start by duplicating an existing line and give it a name. Let's call it Excel in our example. Change the expense account from travel expenses to marketing expense using the drop-down menu. Alter the budget numbers in row 16. After editing the Excel file data, click Save and then Close. Go back to CloudBudget and click on the Excel Mirror button. Click Upload Files to upload the existing Excel sheet. You can also drop files directly into CloudBudget. Select the file you are working on and click Open. You will get a preview before you upload it to the system. Click Confirm Update to confirm the upload. Click OK to confirm once more. After the upload is finished, click the Close button to navigate back to the Overview dashboard. You will now see the updated budget lines in the Budget Manager. To double-check that the changes are there, click on the Altered Budget line. As you can see, the budget account was successfully updated to marketing expenses. You have successfully learned how to manage your budget by downloading, modifying, and uploading Excel lists within the Budget Manager.